Hey, it's your girl Vae back at it with another video. Today I'm coming at you with a hair review from Sapphirehair. Again, remember, as I told you guys before, I am an AliExpress girl and I order hair on AliExpress. So this is just a review for you guys. I think I've reviewed this hair in the past. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And I ordered 3 bundles of 20 inches and an 18-inch 4x4 closure.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
These are the 20-inch bundles that I got. Again, it was 3 20-inch bundles, and they came pretty packaged nicely. This is 100% human hair, unprocessed, and they also provided me with a pair of lashes and a wig cap, which is pretty nice. But wig cap I'll probably use, but the eyelashes maybe not so much. That doesn't really look like my style, but I do appreciate the gesture. So again, this is 20 inches of body wave, 100% human hair, unprocessed. You can dye this hair, you can bleach this hair, you can relax this hair, perm this hair, any type of chemical process that you want to do with this hair, you can do so. When I bleached out the hair, it bleached out pretty well. I did bleach it more than once and it held up pretty nicely, and it's still holding up well. I am wearing the hair now. And here's just a clip of me wearing the hair while it's bleached out. It came out amazing, and I did use Tiara Monet's bleaching process, so go ahead and definitely check out her channel. And I will definitely come back and give you guys a update on how the hair is doing. But yeah, this is how the hair is looking. Nothing real, different. Running my hands through it's super soft. Nice texture. There probably was just a little bit of short hairs up at the top, but nothing too crazy. These are what the ends are looking like. They look pretty good, pretty intact. Again, this is a body wave. Just showing you guys the ends a little bit more closer. There were no tangles with this hair, and I didn't really get any shedding when running my fingers through it. And look at that bounce. That bounce is like amazing. So yeah, this is pretty good hair, and it wasn't that expensive either. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Like I said, these are 3 bundles and a 4x4 18-inch closure. If you're looking for an expensive hair, and you're not looking to break the bank, Sapphirehair is definitely a company I recommend. I've purchased from them, previously. So yeah, these are one of the companies I do choose to order hair from if and when I'm getting hair. So yeah. I do appreciate you guys always for tuning in. Definitely hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate you guys as always. Help your girl get to 10K. Okay. I will see you guys on the next one, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.